Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study coordinate geometry for JEE. Begin by thoroughly understanding the distance formula, section formula, and area of a triangle. Next, master the various forms of straight line equations, such as slope-intercept and point-slope. Practice plotting points and identifying basic geometric shapes like triangles and quadrilaterals on the coordinate plane. This foundational knowledge is crucial for tackling more complex problems later on. Once you have a strong grasp of the basics, move on to conic sections. Dedicate time to understanding the standard equations and properties of circles, parabolas, ellipses, and hyperbolas. Focus on concepts like tangents, normals, and chords for each shape. Practice solving problems that involve finding intersections between lines and these conic sections. Visualizing these shapes and their properties is key to success. Now, delve into more advanced topics such as locus, rotation of axes, and homogeneous equations. These concepts often appear in challenging JEE problems. Crucially, solve a wide variety of problems from past JEE exams to understand common patterns and difficulty levels. Focus on developing effective problem-solving strategies and improving your time management skills. Consistent practice is essential for mastery. Regular revision is paramount for retaining information. Make flashcards for formulas and important theorems and review them daily. Utilize reliable textbooks and online resources for additional practice and to clarify any doubts. Remember, consistent effort over time yields the best results. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a great book recommendation and other deals. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.